This is where I'm going to be painting. It's one of the rooms on the third floor, one of the studios, and I'm unpacking all of my art supplies and kind of getting things set up. So this will be the painting wall. So my first painting is kind of my first impression of Orquevaux. Walking through the streets of the village, there are stone walls everywhere. Everything's kind of brittle and decaying, but there are these bright, beautiful flower gardens just everywhere, you know, all different kinds of flowers, lots of red, yellow. This was kind of my first impression of that. So, you know, I've got some bright, kind of petal leafy things juxtaposed with some weathery, scratchy, more worn places, reminding me of the walls that I was walking by. There are lots of worn walls that have kind of this green-gray color, so I wanted to infuse that in the painting. And some of the leaves are falling. You know, it's October, the trees are turning, it's quite beautiful. So I wanted it to have that sense of the fluttering, and it's misty and foggy all at the same time. So I've got kind of these glazes and layers of, you know, a thinned white. Some of the white is brighter, representing, you know, that gray sky when the sun is starting to beam through. But, you know, this is my first impression of Orquevaux, and I wanted to do it large. I wanted you to be able to, you know, kind of enter this painting, to kind of feel that you're in this. So I didn't want to do something tiny. I think my excitement and my exuberance for being here and walking through the village, I wanted it to be like, you know, like, wow. It's got a lot of paint on it. It took a long time to dry.